Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to discuss Kruskal's and Prims. First, Kruskal's. Kruskal's can be done with the help of these three steps. That means this can be also called as an algorithm. Arrange the edges in ascending order with respect to weight. For given edges, we have to sort them in ascending order with respect to their weight. Next, consider the null graph which is equal to given graph and add an edge by edge from the sorted list before adding that edge. Make sure that which does not lead to loop, cycle or closed path. Then after arranging edges in ascending order, we have to take one null graph which is equal to given graph and add edge by edge which is in sorted list but don't lead to loop, cycle or closed path. Repeat step 2 until all vertices are covered. Okay. First, take an example. This is the given graph. It contains A, B, C, D and vertices and some cost with edges. Okay. Now we have to write each and every values in ascending order. Initially small value is AE and DC. First write those AE, DC. Next 2 is the next greater value. That means BE and AD. BE, AD. Next greater value is 3. That means DE, BC. DE, BC. Next greater value is 4. That means CE, AB. CE, AB. So all the 8 edges are covered in ascending order with respect to their weight. Okay. Now what is second step? Consider the null graph. This is the null graph A, B, C, D, E, which is similar to given graph. Now we have to add each and edge by edge in ascending form. First is AE. So we have to join AE. AE and its value is 1. Okay. Next value is 1. Next edge is DC. So we need to join DC. DC is joined. Next is BE. BE. DC value is 1 and BE value is 2. AD. If AD can join, it doesn't lead to loop, so we can join AD and its value is 2. Next DE. DE. If DE can join, it leads to closed path. So here we have constraint as doesn't lead to loop, cycle or closed path. So it is not in a order. So we need to cancel DE. Next BC. BC. If you take BC, it also leads to closed path. So remove this BC. Next CE. CE. If we take CE also, it also leads to loop. So CE also should be removed. Next, AB. AB. If AB takes, it also creates one loop or closure path. So it should not take. So this is the final Kruskal's diagram. Kruskal's arrangement. Now find the minimum cost using Kruskal's. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. 6 is the minimum. That means 6 is minimum cost of spanning tree. This is the way we have defined minimum cost of spanning tree by using Kruskal's algorithm. First, take null graph for the given graph, then arrange them in ascending order. By using those arranging ascending order, we have to add each and every edge, but doesn't lead to loop closed path. Okay, thank you. This is the way you have to find minimum cost using Kruskal's. Now see prims. Just want to remove this. Okay. Consider an arbitrary vertex. Take S equal to visited vertex. That means source which is from arbitrary vertex, and V equal to unvisited vertices. Based on list cost from source, draw up to all vertices should cover. Let's see this with the help of an example. Consider one arbitrary vertex. Here now all vertices are these are all the vertices. Okay. Sorry. A, B, C, D, E. These are all the vertices. First we need to consider one arbitrary vertex which is source. S equal to, here I have taken S equal to A as source vertex. From A we have to check which contains least cost. From A we have AB, AE, AD. These are all the edges connected through A. From AE is the minimum cost from all the remaining edges. So AE is the first visited vertex. So AE is the first, and unvisited are B equal to unvisited are B, C, D are the unvisited vertices. So connect AE. Connect AE. Next, we need to connect from E. E is connected to B, C, D, and A is completed. So we need to check B, C, D. From B, C, D, from E to B has 2, E to C has 4, E to D has 3. So E to B is the minimum cost. So we need to take this and we have to insert B in arbitrary, that means visited vertices. AE comma B and delete B from here. Now connect AE B. From B we need to check the minimum cost attached edge. B is connected to B to A, which is 4, B to C, which is 3, B to E, which is 2. B to E is already completed, so we need to check only B to A, B to C. If we take B to A, it is also leads to loop and it has greater than BC, so we have to take BC. Draw a line BC. BC. And now change here also B C and delete from here. Now the need to check from C. C is connected to C to D, C to E, C to B is visited. So we need to connect C to D because it has low cost. And now change here also C to empty. No unvisited vertices. That means all vertices are visited. So this is the final minimal spanning tree by using Prim's algorithm. Here what we have done, first take null graph, then take one arbitrary vertex, that is source vertex. From that vertex we need to check all the attached edges which contains minimum cost that can be taken as edge. From that edge we have to check again. We have to repeat this process until and we need to complete all the vertices. So now we need to find the minimum cost. A to E is 1 plus 1 plus A to E is 1 1 plus 1 plus and E to B is 2 plus and B to C is 3 plus and C to D, that is 1. 7 is the minimum cost spanning tree. Okay, by using prims we got 7.